Are you looking for a faster, more efficient way to manage your Jira reports in Confluence? Introducing Jira Issue Sheets by Excel-like tables for Confluence. Here's how it can solve your reporting challenges. It allows you to import Jira issues directly into Excel-like sheets within Confluence. No more manual data entry, just seamless integration. Jira Issue Sheets pulls real-time data from Jira, so you'll never have to worry about outdated information. Present your Jira data beautifully with advanced Excel features like pivot tables, conditional formatting, charts, and even formulas, giving you endless possibilities for data analysis all within Confluence. Curious about how Jira Issue Sheets can transform your Jira reports? Let us guide you through how it streamlines reporting. Let's jump in. First, add the Excel-like tables for Confluence macro to your page. Next, choose Create a Jira Issue Sheet from the available options. Select the Jira instance you want to pull data from. If you haven't set it up yet, click Add a new site to configure it. Once done, choose your Jira instance from the drop-down. Choose your Jira issue filter or enter a JQL query to specify exactly which issues you want to include in your sheets. You can configure the fields you want displayed in your table. Once everything is ready, click Create. Your Jira issues will now appear in your spreadsheet. If you need to make changes, simply click the Edit JQL button to update your filter or field settings. You can refresh your data anytime by clicking the Refresh Data button. Alternatively, you can enable the Auto Refresh option to ensure your Jira issue sheets are always up to date every time the Confluence page is loaded. Let's explore some powerful Excel features to enhance your spreadsheet. Let's use conditional formatting to bring your data to life. With our predefined rules, you can instantly highlight key values, or if you prefer, create your own custom conditions to fit your specific use case. Or you could create a pivot table to analyze the requested amount by assignee. This is a great way to summarize the data, making it easy to spot trends, see who's requesting what, and dive deeper into your reports. Finally, I'll add a slicer to our table for the assignee column. With a slicer, selecting an assignee will instantly update the table to show only their assigned issues, giving you an interactive way to explore the data and customize the view. And that's a wrap on our demo of Jira Issue Sheets. Ready to supercharge your Confluence experience? Try it free for 30 days and see the difference for yourself. Head to the Atlassian Marketplace to get started today. And thank you for watching.